well, this is terrifying. Right now I'm on a 13-degree incline in the Raptor, and again, vision is imperative. But yeah, I'll tell you how high it gets. Got John outside filming. 14 degrees. Maybe it looks steeper than it actually is. 15 degrees.
Ow, I hit my head on the tree. Probably a dangerous place to be behind the truck, but it don't matter.
Whew. Yeah, geez. This is pretty steep. And right now I'm at an 8 degree to like the side.
He's making me hike while he's driving. We just went up. Like, that's flat ground.
This is sketchy. This is actually like scaring me a little bit. So now we're at 11 degrees again, so it's not that bad. With a 5 degree to the side, 6, 12. Ugh. So by the way, the bigger number is gonna be the tilt front to back, and then the smaller number that I'm saying is gonna be the tilt side to side. Okay, 15 degrees again, and it is very rocky. So I am struggling to get grip. I'm going very, very slowly. Oh geez, I do not know how I'm gonna get over these. These rocks look insignificant, but I don't know how I'm gonna get over them.
Tree's gonna get in the way. Stupid tree.
Kinda gotta watch John as I'm going over these rocks, just so I don't scrape the underside of the truck. Ooh, we made it up, pretty much. I didn't go up this hill last time I was here because I wasn't with someone, but now that I'm with someone, by the way, I recommend if you ever go off-roading, try to go off-roading with someone, because it just gives you extra confidence, just to be able to do a little bit more. More than you'd normally be comfortable with. And now I'm gonna get like an epic shot of the, there we go, Raptor looking out over this cliff.
I don't think you can go down this part, dude.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. Dude, that's like almost, that's not 90 degrees, but you know, we'll definitely have to go. But dude, look at this view.
I know, I was showing where the bottom is and how like far up we came.
We've got really far so far, actually.
Yeah. And I'm still rolling, I'm just getting all the views and all that. It looks amazing up here. Look at that, like the snow-capped mountains in the distance.
Yeah, it's crazy to think how high up we are. Yeah, this is the Instagram picture.
That is true. Dang. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Look at that.
about to show you guys true dedication. This is how John is getting the pictures of the Raptor. He is legit just in the tree getting some photos of the Raptor. But yeah, it's such a cool view up here because it's all just flat down there. I mean, I don't know how high we are. Most of Utah is, or at least most of these valleys, I mean, depends valley to valley, but they're usually around like, I think like 4,000 feet elevation to 5,000 feet elevation at most parts of the valley. So somewhere up here, we're probably, I don't know, maybe like 8,000 feet. I don't know.
I did it. Look.
Oh, don't fall. Actually, maybe you should fall. I'll get more views on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Tragic tree accident. Yeah, just...
There's some colorful berries on here. I might eat them.
No, don't. Those are poisonous, like legit. But yeah, the truck looks so cool up here. Yes, we have gone where, well, there's probably another Raptor that's gone up here, but maybe we have gone where no Raptor's gone before. He just told me to slow down. Like, I'm going like 2 miles an hour. Well, I mean, I was going faster than that. So right now we're at 11 degrees. The front camera helps with showing me what's in front of me, but the problem with the front camera on the Raptor is it does not show you how steep it is. That's why it's nice to have the degree thing to know how many degrees I am. Oh man, we are flexing. I can already tell.
Yeah, he's got the clearance. It's just scary in there. I'm holding it straight. It looks like he's like this.
Oh geez. Hopefully I don't slip on the back end there. We're still, my back end, that's the problem with the Raptors, it's so long. The back end kind of clips on things. Yeah, this hill's only 15 degrees. It looks so much steeper. Like, this hill legit looks so much steeper, but it is only 15 degrees. And I mean, the fact that the Raptor is going over this as easily as it is just shows me how good this truck actually is at just going on the off-road.
Okay, hold on. Careful with these 2 rocks. Woo! I'm sorry.
This is the, I think this is gonna be the steepest part right here.
It's a giant rock. You're good. Like it's nothing.
Oh, I'm letting him run down a little bit more. Dude, John's an awesome guy. Gotta love him. Okay. Whew. Freaking almost 17 degrees there. Jeez. Like it popped 17 for just a second. Yep, now I'm just gonna kind of let the Raptor do its thing. I could have gone over that faster. I don't want to puncture a tire, but like the Raptor's that good, guys. I could have gone over that faster.